Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Binance. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Over here on the home page, you will see this More tab. So you need to simply tap on More. Now here, you need to simply use the search tab in the top and search for P2P. Now once you are able to find P2P, you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here from the top right hand corner of the screen, you will have to first of all change your currency, and here in the bottom right hand corner you will see this profile option. So tap on your profile and now tap on payment methods. Now in the payment methods you will see all of the payment methods that you have basically linked or added to your Binance, and since we want to link our bank account, you need to tap on add a payment method. After that, select the bank transfer option and fill out this form. Over here you need to provide your account number, your IFSC code and bunch of other banking details. So after filling this form, press confirm in the bottom and follow certain instructions on the next page to successfully link your bank account to Binance. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.